Hi my friends, today I want to share with you how you can create eyes for your dolls. Beautiful glass eyes. You have to be important to have a patience as you see at the picture of my dolls, and I share with you how to do that. So here we have 3 mm, 4 mm and 5 mm and big cabochons glass. They're all cabochons, yeah? So I will choose 3 mm because my dolls is around 10 and 8 inches, which this cabochon will be amazing for my dolls. So for that I'm using glass paint black, and you have to use some like a nail manicure, something like that, nail painting, something like that, and take very carefully this paint and apply on the top of the cabochon glass. So when you do that, make sure after bake it, alright, because glass paint need to bake. It will be stick after heat. So after this heat, I'm using Pearl X powder to just give a shimmery, like you can use anything like glitter, nail polish, what you prefer. And after that, you can apply any paint, acrylic paint. I'm using on this video my Genesis paint, which I use for everything, for painting my doll, for painting the body of doll, even for eyes. All right, but Genesis paint need the bake after. You have to bake it. So this video I'm showing, you can see this is after bake. It's beautiful shimmery look. So I'm taking white polymer clay and I'm rolling to the ball like a tiny ball. And after, when you're rolling tiny ball, you need to put very gently this cabochon on the top, as you can see on the video. So after this, you need to push very gently and bake it. Yeah, you have to bake it, otherwise the glass start moving. After bake, you have to make sure everything in your table super clean, and your hands and tools, and you after this apply again white polymer clay. Yeah, you cut like that little pieces and apply very gently. After when you apply, you for smoothing around the eyes, you can use baby oil. The baby oil usually I use for most of my creation, for smoothing the doll body, all the thing. But if and after when you smooth it, you need to bake, and that will your eyes will be ready. If you have any question, please leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. So this is I learn from other artists this technique, a little bit that all artists do different. So that's I learned from doll makers artists. It's mostly doll makers that do this way, which that's why their eyes is so bright and beautiful. As you see, absolutely gorgeous tiny eyes. You have to have a very patient, and eventually you will get. So after this video I will show you how to make big cabochon eyes. So guys, as you see, I am applying glass paint to big cabochon glass, and after I'm gonna bake it. So after bake, you use any paint, and you can shape any type of, because big cabochons so easy to make. You can paint proper like eyes looks, like any color. I'm using at the moment Genesis paint again, but you can use acrylic, it doesn't matter. So after you need to bake, but if you use acrylic you don't have to bake, you just have to leave it for until your paint get dry. So after, when it's baked, I will put apply some white or any type of for this video I'm using under cabochon blue polymer clay, because I want to give more bluish color. That's why you just cut out pieces the blue polymer clay and just use all around the eyes, the pupil, white polymer clay. Just be creative. It's a big cabochon, you don't have to be very careful because it's very easy, it's big. Then small tiny cabochon glass size, they're actually Swarovski crystal cabochons. Yeah, that small one. So as you see on the video, I'm creating them now eyes. So after that you can bake it and create any eyes you like, guys. As you see on my dolls, you just have to be have a patience and just create. Yeah, and you can even paint on top of that after bake some reddish color or pinkish color around the eyes. That's up to you. So thank you for you watching my video, guys. I will be very happy and appreciate if you subscribe or like my videos, because that just really motivates me. And as I said, if you have any concern or questions, just please leave a comment and just enjoy. So just be creative, guys. So that's for now. After that you bake, and you can use for anything, for any creatures, for dolls. If you sculpting big head dolls, yeah, you use that type of big cabochon. Let's bring this up, let's bring this up.